All right, here's our head all welded up. So, got it all pounded in pretty good around the hole over here. Put a good layer on there all the way around. See how much heat gets in the seats over here. Now this one over here, there's a small crack developed through here. Once I put some heat to it, there's a crack was in there, so I had to weld that area up over there also. So went in and got that done while we're at it. So this thing's still a little warm, but I'm going to knock this heavy stuff off right now, then I'll finish it up tomorrow after it cools all the way down. But I want to get this extra material out of here to eliminate warpage so it'll cool down and have less stress. So I'm going to knock off a big chunk of that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, get that handled, and then move on. Alright, we're getting ready to cut this surface off. Get rid of that aluminum I just talked about. So I'm going to knock it down a little bit and see what we got here to work with. What speed are we at here? Heavy cut. That's probably close enough. Alright. Got down a little bit. We're still up there about 20 or so, it looks like. I'll make one more pass here. That should put it pretty darn close. Looks like we're looking at about 4 thou, 3 to 4. I don't want to bring up any problems if we have any. The only frost I see right now is by the exhaust board over there. Alright, it don't look too bad. I'll pull this off the stand here so you can see. So, get out of the way. Alright, so you can see the only process that we got is a little bit over here. It looks like it's mostly cleaned up. This has really got some crap in here when I was welding it. So you can see the different alloys in there a little bit. So it looks pretty darn nice. So no big porosity anywhere, which is really good. So I'm going to let this cool overnight all the way down, let it stabilize, and I'll come back and do the final passes here. And then we'll come back and finish it up. Got to heat a close hole after we're done. And we'll run a tap through all these other ones to check them out, make sure they're good. So that's it for today. Back on this shovel head here. Everything's all cooled off now. So now we're going to go ahead and finish cutting the gasket surface here. it. Pull back a little bit. So it looks like it cleaned all the way across the whole surface. So go ahead and check this out here without the camera on. Get a closer look, clean it up. And if it looks good, I can go ahead and center up to do the counterboring here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what it looks like.